Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. On May 23rd, 2025, the defense gave notice to the public that it had filed evidence in support of its offer of proof regarding alternate perpetrators with exhibits. This was in compliance with Judge Hippler's order of May 15th, 2025. It was a proclamation from the bench during the Final PreTrial Conference that the defense was to submit additional information in the form of supporting evidence with respect to their under seal filing of May 14th, 2025, relative to offer of proof regarding alternate perpetrators evidence. Now, although the actual evidence and exhibits are not on the public docket, the way the public is on notice that these have been submitted is because there is a motion to seal the defendant's evidence in support of offer of proof regarding alternate perpetrators and exhibits. It appears on the docket, May 23rd, 2025. It says, comes now Brian C. Kohberger by and through his attorneys of record, and hereby moves the court for an order to seal the defense's evidence in support of offer of proof, re alternate perpetrators, and its supporting exhibits. And just a word of clarification here: whenever a party files a motion to seal something, it means to seal it from public disclosure. That means if the court enters this order, whatever's been submitted to the court, it will not go on the public docket. It will remain under seal until or unless the court decides to unseal it and release it to the public. Page 2 of this filing states this motion is made pursuant to ICAR 32I and IC, Section 741241B and C, because they are either previously already sealed or are redacted. This is dated May 23rd, 2025, Ann C. Taylor, and Taylor Law PLLC, on behalf of Mr. Kohberger. So we await the entry of an order. We anticipate that it will be sealed because the original filing of May 14th was sealed, and this is evidence and exhibits. Once that order is entered, we will notify you, and we await now the state's response. The state was directed to respond to this filing next week in anticipation of the hearing on this matter, which is scheduled for June 18th, 2025. It is, in fact, the only hearing that is currently on the docket between now and voir dire, which is currently set to occur July 30th, 2025. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.